Yep.
You guys, it's part two. Just part two. Oh, where's this? I want to see.
Yo guys! No.
Let's just 2v2. 2v2. 2v2.
So guys, ba't nandyan na naman ako? Siyempre ano tawag to? Guys, maglalaro kami ni Mateo sa rivals. Tapos, meron crazy mamaya.
2v2.
Pa-end sa video guys.
2v2, bro. 2v2.
Ayan guys, invite ako.
Yeah, of course. Let's go.
Nagpalakpak siya.
Let's 2v2.
Tapos excited kami. So, eto na. So guys, nananalo kami. So, yung RP user, pinasabog ako.
Basic arena.
Tapos toxic.
Whatever they are.
No skill RPG.
Where they are, bro?
Yeah. Thank you guys. You bully me. Thank you.
This guy. AFK.
Okay guys.
Come on. Do it. Yes, let's go.
Hey guys,
Bro.
nananalo lang kami.
I think he's a hacker.
Kasi freak you.
Bro, has to tell me God.
Freak you.
Oh my God.
93. Oh, you're toxic. Okay guys, ito. Kahit natatalo lang isang player, kahit ka-level nyo lang, katulad 1-1, tapos nagtitipag ka abang patay. Ano tawag to? Masama yon. Kapag naalala nyo yung bully, mabubuli rin sila, makakarma.
He has to tell me God. W.
Okay, thank you, Mateo, thank you. Thank you, bro. Pero, RPG user, sino ba?
Let's go. Let's go.
RPG user, no skill. Ayun.
Bro,
Okay.
this RPG. Oh no, wait.
O, di ba tama? RPG, no skill. Kaya, sinasabi no skill sa RPG. Kung nagawa niyo pa. Bro, guys, itong dalawa na to, talaga. Sino mo, RPG user siya?
There's no way.
Yeah, it's not fair. Around.
What?
Of
There's no
RPG.
way.
Tapos,
Bro, there's no way.
no,
Oh,
freak you, bro.
bro.
Freak
T-back.
this,
I'll T-back him.
freak this yellow man. I will punch the head.
T-back, okay. I'll T-back.
Okay, guys.
Guy, bro. It's for
Pero
hacks.
natalo.
T-back.
Pero, Mateo, kuwawa na. The brain. Kaya,
Has the classic bundle. Bro has the classic bundle.
tapos,
You need to hit.
tinatarget kami.
Kill him. Bro, this guy. I hate this guy.
RPG. Okay?
Come on, kill him. T-back him.
Ako tumayong ulit kami.
Yes,
Kasi,
yeah.
kung season na. Pero,
Step on the subspace, bro.
toxic talaga.
T-back this guy. T-back that guy.
Okay, guys. Keep natin little
I
bit.
need...
Tinamatri.
Yes.
Nanalo kami.
Back.
Pero RPG.
Bro, I hate my life. I hate this account. Come on.
Siyempre,
Come on, please.
sila RPG. RPG no skill. Diba?
Here's the pencil.
RPG no skill.
Come on, we need to lose now. I got
That's
this.
okay yun. Kahit malus tayo, tanggap na natin.
I got this.
This is toxic.
Please, dude!
Freak
This
you.
guy! I don't like losing myself, bro.
Yung RPG no skill talaga guys. Yung parang spammer ka.
I hate this guy.
Yeah, that's
He's using
why.
Molotov. I hate Unity.
This one.
Okay, I need to get my key
Fall.
first. I'm gonna take revenge.
Ow! Stay! Bro?
I'm gonna take my revenge.
Okay? Kung
Complete.
mukhang makahack sa OHG.
Okay.
Mag-exit ata siya. Guys. Okay?
Bro, don't give me a key. This is stupid.
Wait. Ayun na revenge
Ah.
lang guys. Nakikita nyo na?
Want to
Malapit na
win?
sa revenge.
I don't even
Malapit na sa revenge, guys.
lose it. You
Toxic kayo. Ayun, matitigman nyo. Okay, nag-join na kami. Pero yun lang, tapos ko,
I just
pinalik
beat
ko.
him.
Pinalik ko.
Once.
Okay, guys.
Let me show my hacks, bro. Let me show my hacks.
Oh, ha. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, I will.
Come on, let's team.
This is playing, guys.
Let's team. Let's
Okay.
go.
I will. Yes, sir.
Oh, good luck, bro. Good luck. Sorry.
That's okay. That's
Oh,
okay.
wait.
Guys,
I just gotta.
kahit mag-hack siya, okay lang.
Oh, hell.
Ayun, nagtanayip kami. Sino atin na?
There's no way. Okay, you're good. You're good. Make an edit. Make an edit. Make an edit.
Sorry, bro. Ay, nakalimutan ko, bro. Nakalimutan ko, bro.
I dare you to make an edit with knife.
Bro, nakalimutan ko. Sorry.
Oh.
Hindi ko alam. Sasabi ko. Wow!
Nice. Nice edit. Nice edit, bro. Nice edit.
Bro,
Nice edit.
sorry, bro.
Another edit on me. I don't even care about my wins. Just
Yes, yes. Thank you, bro.
Go
W,
ahead,
bro.
Joy.
Yes. W, bro.
good. You're
Nagbibidyo ako.
good, bro.
Okay?
Come on, bro. Do another.
Sorry, bro.
I dare you.
Kung hindi ako
Yeah,
nag-edit.
he's so good, bro. He's so good. I give him. Yeah, bro. This is so good. He's so good. Yeah, he's so good, bro. He's so good. I give him a 10 out of 10.
Dapat kinihin ko. Alam mo, the night to night.
He literally so good. I dare you to do another trick shot on him. Yeah, bro. I would actually give you some Robux, I think, bro.
No, thank you, bro.
Okay.
Thank you so much, bro. Kahit ganun, meron sa Roblox ko sa Zoom.
We are going to do the last video of
Okay? Yan na naman nakita ko.
us, okay?
Okay? Ayun na, guys.
What's happening, bro?
Ayun na.
Why am I doing like this? Why am I doing like this?
Ayun na.
Ayun na.
Ayun na yung revenge namin! Ayan na yung revenge namin.
It's an arena, bro.
Yes, ayan na yung revenge.
I think so.
Yes,
Oh,
guys. Ayan na yung revenge. Okay,
I
guys.
would actually use my wall hack. I'm not gonna.
Okay, one. That's amazing. Okay, guys.
No clip, okay.
Sniper.
I'm going to no clip, okay? I might get banned on
No
this.
skill for RPG. Pero kahit iba to. At least.
What?
Guys,
Oh yeah, bro.
ito guys.
I just want to go to rain, but I will not.
Tapos, camper to.
I'm gonna lie. I didn't have a hack.
Ulit guys, camper to. Okay?
Bro has space to win. Yeah.
Sinuray ko siya mamatay.
Turns out that my hack.
Ayan na yung, wala.
I'm gonna lie. I didn't have a hack. So
Sana hindi mabanto.
with the line speed.
Yes, sir. Woo! Okay.
Turns out that my
Lagi talaga.
hacker, bro.
Okay. Ayun ako, oh. Yun yung camper. Hindi ko na
Dude, no way. They
Bawal
actually
ko.
did that. There's
Okay.
no way.
Okay, guys. Okay, tama. Paano mo
I'll just
hindi
stop
masasabi
hacking, bro.
hacker kung lumilipad, diba? Oh. Okay.
No clip. Rebels don't ban me. I'm making a video. I'm making a video.
Yeah. That's right, bro.
Oh yeah, bro.
Okay.
You want to say this?
Oh, no. Revolver, no. Oh, no. Auto shoot. Guys, yung auto shoot, guys, sa revolver, masakit yung revolver. Nangangapi. Ayun, oh.
Why did he?
Yung
Okay, I'm
auto
going to the
shoot
crane. I'm going to the crane. I'm going to the top and the top.
Lumipad na.
Damn, I cannot do it. I cannot do it.
Mamatay ako.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. That was just an accident. Don't wait for me.
Oo.
I don't know why my fly up won't work.
Comeback season na to, guys. Comeback season. Kahit mag-prepare ko,
Yeah, of course.
tinututok niya kasi.
We need to do this. We need to do this. We need to do this. Come on. Just please do it.
Nag-camper siya. Kahit kita na. Dapat hindi na
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I dare you not to shoot me.
Okay.
I dare you not to shoot me.
Yeah. Oh! Kill him. Bye-bye. Siyempre, yung isa kasi, guys, real talk, kahit toxic kami, pero nauna kayo.
I dare you not to shoot me.
Lilipat ulit yan. Sinabaran mo.
Stop and stop.
Pero
Bro, why
kasi,
is he going to the frame, bro? He's really going
kung
to the
kita
frame.
mo yung RPG ko na yan. Lapis.
Oh, there's a shard here. I forgot to get it.
Okay?
Oh, jump shard. Okay.
Sana hindi ka
I
mag-download.
actually have a jump shard.
Kasi ano, kasama kita sa team sa hack.
Oh,
Oh,
don't go to the crane, bro. Don't go to the crane.
Kung meron
I bet you can do a
ship,
trick
bro.
shot, bro.
Ano tawag to? Hindi ka mababaran. Let's play.
Go!
Let's go, Dan.
Come on, please. Please, bro, my aim is so bad.
No, it's
My aim is so bad, bro. Sorry.
piston. Yan, zero piston.
Bro, I hate this. Okay.
Okay, come back.
I'm not gonna lie and go to hide to the crane.
Okay, come back.
Not gonna lie and go to hide to the crane.
Come
I need to go to the
back
crane.
dito, guys.
It's up here.
Meron, nakita pa lang siya.
What? How did I find me? I
Oh,
need to get a cover.
39 HP, no.
Get a cover.
Yeah, ano, nag-garbage ako. Ayan, pinupuntahan ko sila. Papa.
Where's that guy? Where's that guy? Where's that
Paano
guy?
nahulog yung isa? Yung last? Hindi, yung isa. Paano siya
Oh,
nahulog
still
yun?
in there.
Ayun, nahulog ko siya. Kakakam siya.
We need to win this. We need to win this. We need to win this. Yeah,
Yes.
bro.
Diba?
Get the team back, bro.
Revenge, guys.
Cha,
Revenge,
we need
guys.
to lock in. Cha, we need to lock in.
Yeah. So,
We need to lock in. We don't want to lose.
hindi kailangan matalo.
Good. Come on, why is he using a revolver?
Don't worry, bro. I have a revolver. All gun I have.
That's a knife. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I just don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I don't remember what.
W, bro.
So, guys, we are going to upload this video now. So, see ya. See you later. Bye.
Okay, guys. Ito una, guys. Di ba, tinanong ko siya.
Oh, this is not.
Guys, tinanong ko. Di ba, una, bago kami nag-vlog siya, play now rivals. Tapos sabi niya, okay. Tapos, yan, guys. Noon tapos ng video niya, tinanong ko, you are hacking? Yup, sabi niya, I helping. W this guy. You. I can upload the vids. I need very fine. Wait. Thank you. Tapos tinanong ko, hey bro, we are playing Survive Zombie Arena. Tapos tinanong na, who, okay, but I'm still make a windmill with a toy. So little play after I play with you. Gusto ko kasi invite game now. Invite toy bots. Zombie. Survive Zombie Arena. Okay, wait. Sana, hinihintay ko pa siya. Pero, guys, mag-subscribe kayo. Kung hate nyo yung toxic, yung hate nyo RPG user, or frozen. Okay, guys, don't toxic ever again. You don't know it is hacking. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.